Hello and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to help you solve freenom not available error. Now, right now I want to register a domain name, solo test name, but I click on the check availability and then click on get it now. It is showing me not available message. I'll go ahead and continue. And you can see all of them are showing me not available message. Below are some paid or the paid domain names. I don't also want to register a paid domain name. I want the free ones. Okay. So let's stick around and see how I'm going to help you solve this problem. Alright, so to solve this issue is very simple. All you need to do is to go back to your domain name and enter your domain name, okay? But this time you need to add the name you are searching for. So let's say .ml. So I'll simply put ml attached to it, and then I'll click on check availability and then wait. And this time this domain name is available and it has been added to the cart straight away. All you need to do is to click on checkout. Good. Now you can see you are able to register your domain name. Now you can use your DNS here. Change the period to 12 months free. And then just click on continue. Okay. So I hope this has solved your problem. If you like content like this, go ahead and join me here on the YouTube channel, because I build websites and I teach you how to also do the same for yourself. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial video. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye.